gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Let's lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Let's lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Let's lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Let's lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Let's lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook lights in real time, you can't resist. So many styles and colors, really you won't believe it. In person you gotta see it, I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream, time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew, however you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors, really you won't believe it. In person you gotta see it, I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome in, welcome in. What I'm doing here, it's actually while I'm testing, I'm also creating a plugin with IntelliJ, codecs, and Lumia plugin skills already imported in the codecs. So it's a lot better than just going on, ChatGPT and play around with that, because this will automatically update my code, and as you can see, I already have some interactions with it. I'm on version 0.28 right now, with all the modifications that we made for it. Basically, what I'm trying to do is to control this device, but I wanted to keep it alive at the same time while the plugin it's running, and not to disconnect. How are you doing, Tango Turete? Good evening, good evening. Welcome, GLIX Frag. And we got the first print of the day. While I'm in the starting scene, I'm not doing the prints because I don't have the overlay there. But we do have it here. And on top of that, we are having a lot of things to test over here. So I'm currently on 35 items that needed to be tested. And these are all the rest for 9.0. After we are completing this, also the plugins that are currently still on testing, we can actually release. Hopefully we're gonna be at the, let's see. Hopefully we can manage to get it until 11th of Wednesday. We're not promising anything, but that's currently the plan, to do the 9.0 when we are actually live streaming as well. And I always forget to actually link my YouTube. My YouTube, it's live. Connections, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Let me test it. Yeah, no messages there yet. Good. I want to test something. Out as well on YouTube, because somebody said that while he was having the custom chatbot, the custom chatbot was not working after a certain amount of time, so we're gonna need to test that as well. There we go. Now I have full Lumia over there. Good, good, good. Let's see. Connections, YouTube. We don't have a secondary chatbot. That's fine. We're gonna add it. Let's copy the authentication from there. And let's add it over here. Not this account. Let's check with this one. Nope, not this either. Regardless, we're just gonna use one. Okay, let's refresh. Good. Ami. Ah yeah, welcome to the clue. Got to drop some smooth co-working energy with us. I didn't got that message. I think it was when I was refreshing. Did I miss a message while we were refreshing over there? No, we did. Ami. What are you talking about? There is no Ami in the chat. Or just looking at the viewers or the lurkers? I don't know. Doesn't feel like there is any Ami 251. It's delusional right now. Okay, let's see what it did. It did already the new plugin version, so let's actually install that and see if it works how I want it to. Let's remove this. How did you get called? By Alicia. Welcome in, by the way. I was like, did I miss your message over there? Here's your logo printed out. Looks nice. I don't know how you got called out, to be honest. That was weird. Okay, so let's install the plugin. A new iteration of it. Alligator! How you doing, buddy? Long time no see. Let's see. We're just searching for H1162 device over here. Hey, Jackie. How you doing? I've been having issues with my cell phone. I hope it's not something too bad. But welcome in. I think I need to close it and open it again just to search for it. If you do have any Bluetooth devices like your phone, try to turn it off. There it is. Govy Music Sync Box version 1. Okay, let's refresh. Yeah, you are in the Radu Club. Welcome in, welcome in. And I want to check some commands of it. So I place here some of the commands to see which one is triggering off and on. So let's see this one, power off, code 4, nothing happens. Okay. Code 3, nothing happens. Oh no, code 3, turn it off. Okay. Code 3, turn it off. Okay. Code 1. That didn't open it. Code 2. I still have to wait for a few seconds. No, not code 2. Code 3. Code 3 opened it instantly. And now it works. So code 3 for power on and code 3 for power off. Wow, this is really fast compared to the other ones. Okay, so let's actually update the code with that. I'm gonna say code free for power on and power and for power off works instantly. Frag. We got it. Make another build. No surge projector, I think. Well, it's fine. It's not that many lights, right? Because, for example, if you're thinking that we are having too many lights and we are going here on the shortcuts, oh no, control center, smart plugs, I can open this one and then we have also a laser, because why not? The problem with the laser is it doesn't look too good while we don't have smoke machine on. But I am afraid to turn it on because I know what will gonna happen if I turn it on. You guys want to play with it. Do it! Darn it, Tango. We're gonna have 5-minute heating period. I have to go, mod. Okay, Amy, thank you for stopping by. Why do I try to send a whisper to someone? I cannot find the user I try to message. I'm not using whispers. Oh my god. Tango!
Tango Titties cheered 100 bits. They said yay.
Thank you for the biddies. Tango. Look at how clean that is. You didn't know that would happen? No worries. I placed it like that, and I've actually made a loop to do multiple of 100. So the multiple of the bits will gonna trigger more balls to be shot on my face. But yeah, it's it's funny. Yeah, that's definitely sounding wrong out of context. Do not clip that. Where's Tango in Twitch? Yes, Tango is on Twitch. We have Tango on Twitch, and also JLX Frag on Kick, and Torrete Killer. Torrete? Oh, I cannot pronounce the last part of it. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna say Torrete. I think I should place the chat as well to go on the screen, right? Because otherwise you're not gonna be seeing anything. Let's see, chat. I think this one is the mix it on. Yeah, that's the one. And I'm just gonna go and say open in OBS. I'm gonna place it in my current scene, which is this one, and add, and then we're gonna have chat. Just like so. A few clicks. Why can't I find a lot of users I may try to whisper to? I don't know. I'm like I said, I'm not using whisper too much, so cannot really tell. Okay, so let's actually make the plugin over here to remove this and install the new one. 0.210. Short jump to say hello to Lumins. Welcome, Ed. Unfortunately, I still cannot do it on kick side. Hey, can you focus on that one? Perfect. But I will going to. Okay, let's try to find a device. This is working so much better, Frag. This one works so much better, and it's just for the Music Sync Box V1. So after you're connecting it, it'll gonna keep it alive always, so you don't have to worry about that. I don't know if from the control panel will gonna work as well, so let me try it. No, from control panel, I don't think we are sending anything to it for power on and power off, but I'm gonna place it there as well. But what we want to test now, it's inside actions over here that I created. Where's my... What did you do, buddy? Great, that means your optimal defaults are power on code free, power off code food. These are already in the current default power on, power off commands. No further frame change required. Oh, no. Remove all the other actions and place the command for power on and power off. The ones I pointed out previously. Also, make it that in the in the control center. Come on. Oh, we closed Lumia. You want to close Lumia? Oh, what's going with the chat there? Refresh chat. Smoke bomb. Where's my sticker? Gator, come in Twitch and send a message there, and you're gonna get a sticker as well. Unfortunately, the resolution for YouTube, it's too bad to actually make a print. Not that the avatars are having bad, but what YouTube is sending in via API, it's about 126 pixels when I get a new message. So if I try to get that avatar from that message, it'll gonna look like crap. So just join Twitch for a second, send a message, and I'll gonna make your sticker. Well, it's not a sticker, it's actually a print. As a chatter. Okay, so while he's doing that, well, I'll also make that in the control center smart plugs. When we turn on and off to send the same signals. Okay. So for Smoke Machine, if you guys want to use it, we do have Smoke on, but let me see if I placed the cooldown. I did place a cooldown. It has 1 hour cooldown. Okay, so for Smoke on, you can use it for free once an hour. And then if you want to intoxicate me completely, then you're gonna have on the bits. Well, I was testing something over here, so I just need to delete all this.
Tangodides is the first chatter and has been first 5 times.
It's Smoke dash on. And for after that, for 500 kicks and 500 bits or even super chats, the smokes will gonna activate. Oh, there we go. Good. Where's why smoke off? Oh my god. Yeah, the laser, it's I think it's also a command called laser on. Let me double check. Yeah, it's laser dash on. Oh my god. What happened there? What happened there? Why did I get shot? Why do I got shot? Laser on. Test cannon. Throw ball. Who was testing those? Why do I got shot? I have no idea why I got shot. Ow! Why? Am I having... I think I know why. I think I know why. Voice commands? No, voice commands are turned off. Why do I get shot? Why the heck I'm getting shot? Now I'm very intrigued. Who's messing around with me? Oh, it is a cannon command? No, it's not. The laser on did it? Oh my god. Why did I place that? I think I was testing something. No! No, Tango, no! Now we know. Now we know why. Okay. Well, I gotta check. The hair is repeatable, right? Yeah. Affecting multiple users. Now I might actually check that with another user, and I forgot to remove it from there. Because usually what I'm doing, I'm just taking the last command and modifying it and testing it out. So let's check this thing. Well, did it build it? Did it finish the build? Yep. Done. I love this thing. I absolutely love it. It's building the plugin for me, but it's doing all the thing. It has all the skills necessary for knowing exactly right. He's never missing a type over here on the settings. He never does that anymore. And I think it's like 10 times. It's like GPT with steroids, to be honest. Applied for open source license? What do you mean? What did you mean? I'm currently on trial version on that, but I'm not gonna pay. I didn't pay anything except for the GPT Premium. You can get it free with an open source project. Ah, okay. Well, I'm paying for GPT anyway. I didn't close my. I didn't close this one. Smoke. No. Where's infra? Well, I can just edit this one. Add action, broad link, device, and smoke machine off. No, smoke off. Where's off? Off. There you go. There we go. The light in the back was annoying. Okay, so let's test it, right? Let's test it. Plugins. H1162. Search for it. This is included with GPT, yes. This is Codex. It's included with your GPT Premium. Okay, we have it. We have it. Refresh. And now let's see Control Center, because this was not working before. No, it's still not triggering it. So that doesn't trigger it. Let me check again if it removed those. Unnecessary. So power off. Test action. Oops. Oh, no, it worked. Power off. Power on. Noise. Good. So that works. See, when I click test action over here, that turns on. And now it's listening to my voice. I can actually change the lightning effect over there. And now if I go off test action, it's a lot faster than what I had before. So go back to my menu, complete and save. And why doesn't work from here? Yeah, from here it doesn't work. So right now, even if I turn it on and off, this doesn't do anything. Which is a pity. Give me a second. I need some air. So let's actually change how that affects. I still didn't map all the scenes. I did it with my phones. Oh, I don't have Bluetooth activated. Well, that's why I cannot connect to it. I mapped it with my wife's phone, but unfortunately, she has things to do with it. Oh, so look, I cannot even connect to it because I have Lumia connected, and that means I'm having a keep alive over here. So this will still work even after a while. I'll still gonna be able to just go to Govee and then power off, right? Oh my God, it's instant. It's instant. So I cannot connect to it because I'm controlling it with the power on and off over here. You're gonna love it, Frag. You're gonna love it. So I placed up like a loop to actually keep it alive, and now it works fine. And when it's triggering, it actually the device is triggering instantly. So that was my my plan to do it, and then after that to actually add scenes and other stuff. So you're gonna enjoy it. Okay, so watch how fast it's actually triggering it. Power off, test action. Power on, test action. This is a Bluetooth light controller that syncs with the music around it. It has 2 microphones. And this is a device that doesn't support Wi-Fi, so it's just on Bluetooth. How are you doing, Blitz? Welcome in. Welcome in. I saw that you made it official on your side that we're gonna do a tournament on Fortnite, and yes, we are gonna do a tournament on Fortnite. Let's see if this works, because I needed to check also if this thing actually works from here. So ban user, bye. Doesn't. I know. Approve ban. Approve ban. Okay, approve all. Bye. Now I think I have to reconnect with Kick. We did some modifications on Kick platform. And I think we need to reconnect before I can actually trigger the... Yeah, it has all permissions over there. Don't worry, you're not gonna go anywhere. We're gonna get banned. Bam, 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 bam. Refresh. Screen looks great. Thank you. Yeah, it's a lot cleaner to actually share it like this. It has enough room. It doesn't show on my full screen, but yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's get that guy banned, right? But why did I place ban user? Bye. Why cannot ban this guy? Frag, can I try it on you to see if I can ban you, and I'll gonna get you back if it works. Ban user. No, it doesn't work. Why it's just me? Because I tested out like a few days ago and it was working absolutely perfect. I think I do have something that it's triggering that thing to not work. Let's see. I have ban and ban and ban over here. And I think these two are simultaneously trigger. So let's get rid of first ban. And let's modify this one. And let's not make it moderation approval. Screw moderation approval. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to go manually to that guy and get him off the platform. That's what we do. That's what we do. Yeah, he's appearing with red for some reason. Bye.
Offbeat Moss looks like you didn't know. Get your ass reported and banned.
Alright, good. So let me remove the connection from here so I can actually place a different theme on this. Because as you can see, because I'm keeping it alive, it doesn't even let me to connect with my phone either. Let me try now to reconnect. See, now I instantly connected to the device. Okay, and we're gonna go with what? Fluctuate. Now, don't like this one. I need something better than this one. No. 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 Yeah, I like this one. So now every single time I'm speaking, it's doing that. And it actually has some effects that you know, Lumia Stream cannot do it. So that's the cool thing about it for Govi. And also it controls the other one that is behind me that it's moving around right now. Okay, so after we did that, we're gonna go and reinstall the plugin. Of course, we're gonna turn the Bluetooth off from the phone, so you're making sure that it's not keeping it connected, right? And open and discover. this will gonna discover just this device, okay? So we're not gonna discover any other device. We're gonna just look for the H1162, and if it finds it, we're gonna say it's Govi Music Sync Box, and I can save it. And now I still cannot control it from here, unfortunately, because it didn't modify it. But if I go on an action and turn off, let's check it out. Then it's turned off, and then now it's always gonna be connected to the device. So now it's gonna work a lot faster when it's doing that. All right, good. We're gonna check again in about half an hour on it to see how it looks and if it's still the device it's active and you can control it. Actually, I'm gonna let you guys play around with it to check if it's still working or not. They have an outdoor sync box for more lights to connect, but I don't know if it works with non-outside lights. Of course it should work. If it's an outside socket that it's you know, you can place it over there, you should be able to control all the lights, but I don't know how they work. Okay, let's place two commands over here. One, we're gonna be how you called it? Party? You called it party, didn't you? Party on, party off. Let's see, party on for turning it on. And I'm gonna just duplicate this. And I'm gonna place this one to off. Save. Party off. Complete and save. All right. So now you can play frag. Try to do party off and party on. Now it's on. Now it's party dash off and party dash on, like minus. And it turned off, and now it's going to my default meteor shower. And now it's coming back to this one. Cool. Problem solved. The cool thing is keeping it alive. It'll always gonna react really quickly when you're triggering the commands, and that's I actually not stole but reverse engineered from another application. Let's go in our testing. Fixed system TTS cloud not showing audio pop-up. It does show the audio pop-up. We already tested this one. The delete button appears even if the comment can't be deleted by other users than the one that posted. This is regarding the plugins. And if someone has a comment, and I know that no one has a comment. Oh, this one has a comment. Yeah, now the button for deletion, it's gone. Perfect. Works. Button removed. Good. Bulk delete event list platforms. Did we add the bulk edit on the event list? So I don't know if it's on the dashboard widget over here where you have the event list. No, you cannot delete anything from here. Oh, you actually can delete it now one by one, but the bulk delete, I think it went into the event list its own here. So bulk delete, and I can delete all the TikTok. Bye, TikTok. There you go. I'm not streaming on TikTok, but just wanted to remove them. So now you can bulk delete that, and you can, you can filter this and then delete those as well. So that worked fine. So it's bulk delete by platform. Blind Creeper, welcome. Good evening. Good evening,
Blind
good evening.
Creeper is now following your Twitch channel.
Come on, focus on this one. There we go. See how crisp it is? Love that feature about it. Good. So bulk delete, it's available. Works. Fine. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Can't afford a printer. I actually bought 2 of them. This is I paid $180. I think now it's about 110. You said frag euros. So it's about 120, 130. And I also had one. Because I don't know where I placed it. I think I placed it with all the junk things. I ordered it from AliExpress. A $15 thermal printer that supports the ESC POS protocol, just to test it out if it works on USB connection, and that worked as well. So if you do have $15, then I think it's fine. I can get one for around 80 pounds, but don't have the money. Like I said, you don't have to get an expensive one. $120 yours and $130 the fast one. What's the difference between the slow one and the fast one? Because I think one it's with Wi-Fi and one it's with USB, and mine it's definitely with Wi-Fi. Okay, can somebody turn the laser off, because we don't have any more smoke? Okay, the smoke it's gone. It's clear air. Type exclamation mark laser dash off. Typo there, Tango. Why that didn't work? Do we have laser off? No, we don't have laser off. Okay, so that's why. Let's add a command. And let's go plug in devices, and this will gonna be this one, and we're gonna be off, and we're gonna keep done, and complete and save, and refresh. Now you can do it. Stick them somewhere. This is not a label, not a label printer. It's actually just paper. It's just thermal paper. No sticky anything. Yeah, that's exactly true. Of course, first it's printing my thing, because I didn't chat it in the chat yet. There we go. Now I have mine as well. And the laser, it's off. Good stuff. Add the new GIF Luminator. That's how I called it. So if you are complaining about the name of the GIF, it's because of me, okay? Inside overlays, when you create a new alert layer, well, not open in OBS. When you create here a new alert layer and manage the alert, this guy here, I think it's not in production. I think it's in development. Overlays. That was still the old one. Yeah, this is the new one, which has this this nice pants on it. Let's just place it on top. There we go. So this is our new new mascot. Let's call it like that. And now it has this wristband as well. It was not having in the first iteration of the GIF, but now the second one it has it, so it's looking a bit better. Okay, so that was the test. It should be in there. Okay. Good. Chat box overlay horizontal layout animation looks weird. And sometimes the text moves the next in line in case of emotes. Can you spam the chat with the emotes and I don't know, try to crash it? Because I know for a fact that this will gonna crash. Because this is the production one. We're gonna test it with a different one as well. You see how it goes further down when you're typing? If you type a very long message, I think we're gonna go one line below or something. Especially if it comes from different platforms. No, it doesn't want to go now. Let me try with... Let me help. Let me help. Very long messages with very long words with uppercase and lowercase and just sending there. And as you can see, Bob, how it looks now. Now if you type a message, now you're a bit below. So this was the issue.
Alligator is now following your Twitch channel.
Alligator, welcome to Twitch. Send a message so I can print your... Oh, you don't have a... Place an avatar before you're sending a message. Place an avatar. Fresh gator in the swamp. Hope you're ready for some chill vibes and good times here. Hope you are. Okay, so we made it crash. We made it crash. Let's actually get the same mixed chat always on from the development. Yep, it is. And we're gonna copy this and replace it. Now we're gonna refresh automatically. And you know what to do, Tango? Messages. Long messages. And now it doesn't go down anymore. We can try. We can definitely try. I like the new animation as well. Good. Well, do you think that test passed, Tango? I don't see it going anymore like below when it's actually coming with a new message. Now it's actually smooth going from one side to the other. So I think it passed. Works great. Oh, not full rage uppercase. By the way, Frag, do you want the current version of it so you can test it out and let me know? Like I said, you cannot turn it on and off from the control center, just with the actions right now. But I'm gonna add a lot more to it but just tell me if it works on your side. Because right now it's on. Can somebody type... where is that? Can you try to type party-off to see if how fast that triggers this one? Because it'd been a while, right? Instantly. God damn it. It works too good. Found it. Ah, darn. You still don't have the logo. I think if Twitch didn't update it yet, you have like a placeholder there for a guy. For a guy. All right. So that works. Let's keep it off for a while, and then we're gonna try to turn it on. I don't know, in 10 minutes. Just to make sure. Add gap options for chat box in overlays. Ooh. We have some overlays modifications coming from UI Thinker. And you know how we can test it out? We can test it out with all of this. Yeah, it's big. Let me make it the size of the screen there, so you can see everything that I'm seeing. And let's make it small. And once again, we need to just spam the chat. Did you fix laser on? Yes, I fixed laser on. I just needed a few messages. Don't go crazy. Because you see over here, there's a gap between these two. Like over here, there's a gap. And people wanted to actually modify that gap. So gap between items, now it's 8 pixels, and I can place it to be 1 pixel. Or 0, no gap. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. And I can move it around, having very big gaps between messages. I don't know who will like that, but I do like nice and sticky to tiny and to place it all together if possible. Well, I think just small gap over there worked fine. Okay, we're gonna check all the teams because this was one team. Okay, going to this team, and this team as well has. See, you can increase it with the scroll wheel as well. You can just use your scroll wheel to actually modify this thing, but unfortunately, when you scroll down, it actually also scrolls down. But you can use your arrow keys as well. It doesn't modify the gap between the lines. It's modifying the gap between the messages. So that works fine. Let's move to this one. I do like it. Okay, let's see this one. Perfect. Still can't figure out how to get emotes to show on DIY chat boxes. Oh, you mean like this ones? The emotes that coming in here to actually show it over there as well? I have no clue yet. But I can test them out. Okay, on this one. Oh, it has gap between messages over here as well. So if you want to have a bit more gap between the messages. Oh, look at that. So you can know where the end is. I love it. How cool is that? Okay, so we have the gap between items as well for horizontal layout. And I guess this comes for this one as well. Yeah, it's cool. Really cool. Yeah, I can just make it like unite together. Or then I can just make a bigger gap. But for this one in particular, it's really nice because if they're really close to each other, it's hard to tell if it's another message or not. This is really cool. I also love the animation when it actually moves. And these are all the teams that we have. And I would say the test had passed. I love it. I love the new addition. That's how I'm testing. I'm placing all the teams over here for vertical layouts. So we have 5 teams and also the same 5 teams for horizontal layout, just to see how it works. Yeah, emotes are working here. Even on this one that you can barely see, it's small fonts. Damn, Amazon can't order anything there. They have some issues and only 3 hours left for the Moonbeam printer. Why do you want exactly the same printer that I have, Frag? I don't understand. There are, like I said, different versions, different printers out there that you can play around. All right, so that test passed. Added item gap control to chat box, event list, loyalty leaderboard. Oh my god, I have to test all those. Viewer queue, achievements, viewer profiles, pools, and credits, while keeping the original gaps value as default. So, chat box. Okay. Event list. So I thought it was just for chat box because that was the request, but apparently he went and said, nah, let's since we are doing this one right now, let's add it for everything. So we have the event list over here, and this is the normal gap, and of course we can actually modify them. Yeah, looks cool. Looks really cool. I want a fast one. I do have. It is fast. How fast you want it? Okay, so event list have passed. Let's remove that. These ones are a bit easier to test. Event list, okay. Moving to loyalty leaderboard. Heads up, all ads are rolling. Show some love with a sub if you're vibing here. I think most of you guys are already subbed. Thank you for being out of prison, out of, ad prison. So, loyalty leaderboard. And these are this. And we still don't have, we have the gap between the items, that's fine. I would love to have the horizontal format on it. So loyalty leaderboard works. Why it's doing this? Okay. Okay. Viewer queue. Viewer queue. Somebody needs to join the queue to actually test this one out. So I'm gonna start a viewer queue. Join. Please. Okay. I'm gonna have to type, I think, join, right? Ooh, we have a question. Any news about the kick avatars on loyalty points? When the kick avatars on the loyalty points will be fixed, at the same time, we're gonna be fixed also the kick avatars for the overlays on the avatar. So I'm waiting. Oh, queue list is empty. I don't think I have the join command. Let me check. Custom. It's join queue. It's join queue like this. From viewer queue. There we go. I'm gonna try to join as well. On 3 different places. And now we have the gap over here as well that we can set. Nice. It's also telling you what type of user it is. So for example, Tango, it's a tier 1 sub. Ollie, it's a mod on YouTube. No API endpoint for follow age and watch time. Why are not placing these ones in Discord on? I think follow age they might have added. Let me double check. Kick API. Developer documentation for the Kick API. Okay, roadmap. Added delete. Oh, they did something on 12. Added delete chat, message ID endpoint. Added pinned time seconds field. Gifted event payload to Kick gifted. Okay. Made refresh tokens reusable flexible. Made tags viewer. Made custom tags to get channels, Kick leaderboard, endpoint, gifted replies field, multiple created at moderation band, webhook, moderation endpoints, livestream metadata, webhook event, reply and message get channels by slug. Okay, let's actually see what they are having. Do they have the documentation on? I don't want to see their chain long. Public roadmap. But if they didn't add any here, allow multiple broadcaster user ID params on live streams, added replies to field to chat messages in event, added Kick's gifted webhook event. So this is when they added a gifted subs, added a get Kick's leaderboard endpoint, custom tags, tag viewer count. Oh, we have a viewer count now that we can get. Oh, but just for the categories ID? Okay. So to get all the viewers for that particular category. And delete chat, message ID endpoint. Kick API. Okay. And let's search. Follow. Age. Let's see what's on the follow. Webhooks payload. So follow, subscription renewal, subscription gifts created, live stream status updated, metadata updated, moderation band, Kicks gifted. But I think it's just for channels. Channels, no, users. Users. Client ID expiration scope token user when it's trying to get. No channels. Okay, category, custom tags, my first stream. So this is getting the stream information. Channel rewards, moderation, live streams. kicks, fuck you, introduction, webhooks, subscribe to events. What events do you? Yeah, no, this is just a way how to subscribe. Let's see, age, time, anything with time, introduction, webhooks, no, timestamp, channel log, webhooks, payload, pin, categories, time, use the page parameter, welcome. No, I don't think they have it yet, the follow age. It should appear here. And it has just webhook payloads for the follow and channel followed. So it has this one. And organization, registration requirements, contributing, webhooks. I'm checking everything. So no, this is just channel follow. Follower user ID. It doesn't have when you get that how much time he followed. And this is subscription renewal, subscription for gifts, subscription created, updated, live stream status updated, stream ended, live stream metadata. No. Unfortunately. Unfortunately not. Yeah, not really. Verified identity null, unique message, broadcaster, sender, verified identity text type, but doesn't have anything. Yeah, it doesn't have anything. Let's see, somebody talked in here. Is there any way to redirect my TTS to specific languages? I usually stream in German, but English is also welcome. This way, viewers can use my TTS in both German and English. But what happens if someone triggers my TTS in Arabic, Spanish, Turkish, or any other language? And I have no idea what they're saying. Is there any way to filter that? Frag, why are you not saying this one in here? So, you do have over here at the chat match, I think it was a language by default. I think I deleted it. Like Czech language. But I don't think we have... No, we don't have... You can have an automatic translation if you want to use that. I can show you how. Write something in German right now. Type something in German, Frag. Just type something in German. Alright, so I'm just gonna mouse over on you, and this is Lumia link. It's my docking chat that I'm watching, and this is a translation button. And if you click it, then it says, "What should I write?" It says over here. If it was on YouTube or Twitch, it will also post it in their chat. Yeah, Volt her commandant. I don't think you typed correctly, but they're Gator. So you can have the translation automatically inside here. If you don't know what message, you can just click this. I'm gonna appear in your Lumia. what I would want over here is to actually also pick the platform. Because right now when I'm sending a message over here, it broadcasts it everywhere. Only no broken German? No, I'm sorry. But was soll das zur Skriben? It worked. Hey, what's up, Pinky? Pinky and the brain. Welcome in, Pinky. How are you doing? Okay. Let's we got a bit sidetracked with a click platform for follow age. Unfortunately, there is no follow age there. Okay, viewer queue. We are here. That's fine. It works. We're gonna remove it. Let's actually close it first. So this should be under engagement. And let's just select one random guy. Tango! And me. They're the first two picks. There you go. All right, and queue. Can't delete this one. Did ya get it sorted the other day? I think it was Kick. It was you asking about Kick. I forgot what it is. Frag, can you do party on, please, to see how fast it runs after? I think it was we passed like 20 minutes or something. Instant. It's actually instant. All right. I'm gonna send you the plugin. It's currently on alpha, but I'll send it to you. Just to test it out. There you go. Yeah, it's already off, so it works like a charm. Tested it out. We're gonna add more stuff on it before I'm gonna release it to public. But glad that I actually make the keep alive. Is there a way for Twitch and Kick not to use my commands? I was like, is there a way for Twitch and Kick not to use my commands? As I would like TikTok only to use commands, but Twitch and Kick to use channel points. As if they use then that's cheating the system. Cheating the system, it says. Okay, so the easiest way is to just add them as your channel points, right? Just go ahead and add them as your channel points, and that's it. I think she wants it to have the commands for particular that platform. So in that case, they can do a condition, right? Condition platform equals TikTok. And that should fix it. You're gonna only run when this one is equals. Yes, modify your commands and add a condition for the platform to be TikTok. Filter commands on platform. So condition platform sent equal platform. Yes. yeah, play around and let me know, Frag, if it works flawlessly, because right now I don't have any issues. The only issue is, like I said, this plugin will gonna control only this device, and I cannot make it to control multiple devices at the same time, because that means I cannot keep that connection with that device where I'm sending alive, because I'm gonna try to send. Well, maybe we can. Maybe we can. Now that I'm thinking of, I'm sending to an address a Bluetooth, like a heartbeat code to keep it alive. And the only thing that I have to do is just add multiple addresses over there where I'm sending the heartbeat, right? And then it should keep alive all the connections. And when it's called on one particular device, you're gonna send that command only on that particular device, and you're gonna still keep alive everything else. So that might work, actually, even with multiple devices. That's actually a good improvement for the other Bluetooth plugin that we have. So yeah, this worked really nice. This worked really nice. And the way to actually see the modifications that it's doing in the code, this is the initial context, and this is the new content. So basically it removed the actions from it. And you can also basically learn from this. And it looks nice and clean. He wrote down all this just to turn on and off. Well, also to keep alive. It's waiting for power on for the first time for 15 seconds. And it's doing a scanning and waits for 10 seconds. And yeah, it's a bit more than just turning it on and off. It's normalizing the addresses. It's giving errors. iPlace also have a log. So yeah, looks good. I do like it. Tango, if you want to actually show you, well, you said you don't have GPT Premium, or what you don't have? So why you said you cannot use it? Because yeah, me too. You're paying a premium subscription for it. So why you said you cannot use it? It said I had to pay IntelliJ. No, you're just downloading the community edition. I am currently on trial because the AI chat over here, it's done with their own plugins. So if I go on my settings and I go on plugins, I went with their own built-in AI assistant. So I went with JetBrains AI assistant, but you can go the one that community build, which you don't need premium for it, which is Codex. And you have the Codex launcher over here, and it does basically the same thing. So you don't need premium for using this. They do have two versions. One that it's the Ultimate IntelliJ, and the one that's free to use. So I just have to give them proof. Yeah, doping something community focused with it. Okay. Well, if they give you the full access for it, you can do a lot more with Ultimate for sure. But if not, you can still use the IntelliJ like it is, the community edition. Trying to solder in chat right now. Don't burn yourself, buddy. Okay, back to our testing. So viewer queue, we tested it's okay. Right? Let's go back into the test. Okay, what's next? Achievements. Why am always pressing that? Okay. So we have achievements, and they have, of course, gaps between them. So we can actually increase the gaps or decrease the gaps. And we can make it auto scroll. And we can make it auto scroll a lot faster if we want to. This was also something that I requested. No. And I can make it very slow or just stop. And I think like 10 pixels. Oh, it's going from 5 pixels. Yeah, I love it. I think this is gonna be cool. And then I can modify the gaps as well. Good. Achievements, okay. Viewer profiles. Red chat box. We need a way to customize our own teams. Yeah. Can I delete the old Bluetooth thing? Yeah, you can delete it for sure. You're gonna always find it in the marketplace over there on the plugins. Paul, we have for credits as well a gap. Poll! We need to start the poll. There were some messages over here. No, no new messages. Good. Boop, 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 boop. We need to start the poll. Oh. Poll. The poll widget will create polls. Trigger. Okay. Overlay test YouTube music. Start poll. Type vote 1 and 2, please. Vote and the number. Oh, it's just one item. Content, manage pool. Add items. Okay. Vote to 1 to 5 over there. And this is how it's making it smaller, closer together, or bigger together. Vote 1 and 2. Oh, I don't have the vote command, don't I? Or I have it modified. Chatbot command. I have the vote command. Overlay actions, pull trigger, pull one. Oh, it's testing all layers. This is not on testing all layers, isn't it? Test YouTube. Test YouTube music. Poll to save. Done. Complete. Refresh. Okay. Vote free. There we go. Play 3 votes on free. No, it says above. It was saying pull trigger, it's not valid. Yeah. So we can actually increase the gap between the items over there, which is nice that we can. Good. But I don't understand about credits. I don't get what should I test on credits, to be honest. But let's check. Credits. Let's go. Content. This will gonna be remade. I think in 9.1 or something like that. So I have gap between items. We can make them. Oh, we can make them further apart or closer. The last 12 hours, we got 100 bits from Tango, Alligator, Blind Keeper, and DJ Daniel as followers. Thank you. Okay. We have a gap between that as well. And I just received another thing to test. When I'm receiving a task, Tango, I'm actually getting a print as well, even if I'm not online. So Twitch extension, it's not able to be added by multiple users. That was a ticket that I created today, and now it's back to me for testing. So yeah, I connected it to basically the ClickUp over here, and I have a ClickUp assigned to me base alert, and when that happens, it's of course triggering my lights, but also in the actions over here, I'm sending this one, new task assigned to you, and then the task name. So that's a cool use case of using this one. Connections that are disabled doesn't need to appear at the bottom. Should be the same as in the connection widget. Yeah, so right now I do not have any disconnected. Tiltify. Tiltify was not connected, but now it is. It's back here. Good. So all the connections that are here are showing at the bottom if they're disconnected. Before that, in the previous version, you were being able to see also the ones that you have disconnected by yourself inside the connections. And the problem was I was having so many of them disconnected, including the plugins, and they were showing at the bottom over here, and I didn't want to see them. So that's fixed. Attempt to back up viewer profiles before uninstalling Windows. Attempt to back up. I have not actually tested this at all, but should back up to documents Lumia stream when uninstalling. Do we want to uninstall Lumia? we're gonna have to actually test this one. So in Documents Lumia stream, over here, I do have only the downloads for the audio that I'm having for the alerts, or not the alerts, the one from reactions or animations. They're placed in here by default. And Windows to backup viewer profiles before uninstalling Windows, and should be placed inside here. Okay. This is gonna be an kind of risky task to do, especially when you're live. Before we're going anywhere, can somebody type party on to see if this one is still gonna be instant? Let's try that, and then we're gonna go with uninstalling. So party dash on. So party minus on, party dash on, or how do you want to spell it? Come on. Somebody. Tango, you had a typo. There we go. Instant. Yeah. And works flawless. Still fighting out. I was actually waiting for Frag to actually type that, because the plugin was created for him. Gotta make V2 controller by Tomos. Nice. Yeah, party off instantly goes to to the default scene. No, I love it. So it keeps the connection alive. Good. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to see anything you're saying, because I'm going to have to close Lumia and uninstall it and to see if that works. So no QA tickets today. The count, it's still the same. What? No, I'm not going to send him. MIDI tickets. Okay. Oh, COVID's having a QA stuff over here. messages. Okay. Good. Let me get to it. Let me get to that. Let's see if it saves. Attempt to back up. Let's see if it works or not. Works here too. Thank you. Yeah. Well, like I said, I'll add also the animations for it. The ones that you have in Govi by itself after getting my hands on my my wife's phone. Deleted my last message for the TTS thing. Okay. I'm not gonna be able to read the chat because we're gonna go in a uninstallation of Lumia stream. Bye, Lumia. I'm gonna close all my lights. And also the camera. Darn. Well, I have a workaround for that. And this should go on. Where's this one? Where's the other camera? Facecam Pro. There it is. I don't know. Oh, it's definitely not tracking my face. Hey, I'm here. Okay, unfortunately, we're gonna have to manually move it. Where is here? Okay. Okay. I have all the things closed. I'm not seeing the chat. Sorry for that. We're gonna go and uninstall Lumia stream. Sorry, all the chatters. Just don't chat, please. Don't chat. Lumia stream Beta.17. Uninstall. Oh, wait a second. I need the Beta.17 to be having it close by. I did send it to a guy in Discord. Where's the location? I don't want to search it again. It's all gonna take for ages. I think it was in the community support location. Okay, a bit further down. See users, update a local Lumia stream updater. Okay. Update a Lumia stream. And where? So update a local Lumia stream updater. Oh, it's not in roaming. Okay, local Lumia stream updater. Because I want to upload. I want to install basically automatically the last build instead of going to the stable one and then doing it again. Okay, we are safe. We can uninstall it. Bye, Lumia. Bye. Farewell. Farewell. Completely uninstalled. Let's see. Documents, Lumia stream, downloads, audio. It doesn't save shit. I uninstalled it. Doesn't work. Ticket will gonna be sent back. Ticket will gonna send back. We're gonna be sent back. But should back up documents Lumia stream when uninstalling. No viewer profiles anymore. Did not store it in that location. We have just the audio downloaded for animations and reactions. And this will gonna go back in progress. Sorry, Cove. Sorry, not sorry, but you made me close completely and uninstall my Lumia. Fresh new install. Everything is exactly the same it was. And plugin files are missing. ClickUp, settings, showcase, Trovo. Oh, also the plugins are missing. Oh, crap. Plugins installed. Update for the ClickUp. Update plugin. Play to update. No such. Can I uninstall it then? Alicia. Yeah, I can. Let's uninstall all of them that we're not using. Well, I don't have anymore anything, so I'm gonna have to uninstall everything. The problem is I'm gonna lose all my alerts as well. Even labs, you're still there? No, you're not there. All the plugins are uninstalled. So let's install manually one of ours. Let's discover it. We are back in the chat, where we're having the chat back. There it is. Save, refresh. We just need to send a command first to make it trigger. Power on. Test. Yeah, this first power on, it takes a bit. Hello? Power off. Power on. It didn't work. Hey, what's going on? Plugins. Remove. Refresh. Discover. It connected, but it didn't connect. Let's open it first. Maybe that's what's the case. Needs to be opened first, maybe. Bluetooth, it's so interesting, so hard to master. Test action, nothing happened. Test action, nothing happened. Do I miss something right now? Viewer profiles, yeah. Okay, for some reason this doesn't trigger anymore. There is a reason behind it. For you, it still works fine, Frag, right? Party off. No. Party on, no. Okay, maybe I did install something wrong. Plugin host for Govi exceeded unknown sig term. Okay. So it was something else. Something else fishy going on. Okay, install manually. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, plugin installed successfully. Save. Refresh. Can I actually place the camera back? No? Why not? I think something is wrong with my Lumia control center smart plugs. No, it should work. Oh, there we go. I have to modify this again. Tracking. And apparently it's not tracking me anymore. For whatever reasons. Filters, NVIDIA AR move. Hello. Where's my tracking? Camera tracking. Track position X. Why this doesn't work anymore? A lot of things broke. Yeah, I'm not tracked anymore. Well, I'm gonna have to stay in one position here right now. Oh well. I'm gonna restart Lumia. For some weird reason, I think some things were removed that shouldn't have been removed, to be honest. why this thing it's not open? Because I can hear it when it's turning on. Yeah, camera is not tracking anymore. Okay, I'm gonna take a short break, guys. I need to go to the toilet. I'll be back in like 3 minutes. Right back.
Gonna like set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it.
Okay, welcome back. If there's still some of you here. And yeah, let's actually test why it doesn't work. It's sent to printer, but it does not do anything. Ah, there you go. Okay. With a kind of a big delay. But why this didn't work? Why my plugin didn't work? That's weird. Because it should be holding it active. So it doesn't do anything right now. We soldered all 36 plus 15 diodes to your keys backwards. Nice. After I uninstalled Lumia stream, nothing worse. My tracking camera doesn't work anymore. And it was nothing had to do with Lumia. It just the camera turned off, and that messed with it, I guess. Studio mode, let me see. Camera tracking tracked my ass because it's not tracking anything. I'm moving now myself. And if I go on filters, I do have the NVIDIA AR filter. And if I just copy it and paste it again, apparently it works. Okay. So one thing solved. We need a ticket to fit the TTS voice image with the container rather than cropping it off for upload. Okay. Chatwood. No, not Chatwood. Well, actually, let's check what we have in Chatwood. Do we have any users that need help? Yes. I don't see my event list on for Twitch on my dashboard. It says that's empty. Aww. For TTS, its remaining quota variable. You want to use it, or you want to modify it. I'm just wondering how I would get YouTube vertical stream chat into my chatbot overlay. It does the Twitch and the main YouTube livestream, but as I multi-stream YouTube vertical also, it would be nice to be able to display those chats alongside. I'm wondering how to get... Okay. Hi. I don't think he has premium now. We are getting both vertical and horizontal chats, but for free users we are just making them use only for one stream per platform to not overload our YouTube API quota. Okay. Say for plugging icons, it looks sheared. It isn't full height. Okay, we need to create a ticket. Bam, bam, bam. For check the stripe before soldering. As for TTS quotas, usually they are tracked by variable, but always double check your docs as a progress bar, so my chat can see how many they have left. Well, if you're using with the Twitch extension, Tango, you're never gonna run out of them, because if you're using over 100 bits for the Twitch extension on the AI TTS, then those ones are not counting towards your quota. Only the channel points, commands, and on the extension that it's below 100. Yeah. Place it in the ideas and requests, so you can have like a progress bar for the remaining TTS quota, TTS character count. I don't think we have a variable. Variables. TTS, no. No. Don't think so. So make a ticket. It's gonna be most likely placed in overlays, so you're gonna have like a bar directly created for you. But I don't think we have a variable, because all those variables over there, those can be modified. So you can modify those variables, even if they are normal variables, the blue ones inside here, not the green ones, which are custom. The normal variables, these ones, not the purple are like function variables. These cannot be modified, but these ones you can still edit them. So that's why we didn't place them, and I don't think we ever will. Okay, I still have the issue with the Bluetooth plugin, so I don't know what happened and how to actually fix it, because I know it's working for Frag, but now it's not working for me, and it's freaking weird because I created it. Oh, I had to permanently erase the connection. Maybe, and then remove the plugin. I don't think that's the case, but I'll try. Let's actually install some of the other plugins first. Which one we want? We want AI Licha plugin. We're not gonna go through that step. It's already here. We're gonna activate it afterwards. We want the ClickUp. And we're not gonna activate it here. Okay. It worked for me, so yeah, well, it worked for me, but not for the creator of it. So how is that a thing, right? Did I send you the 11? No, I think I sent you a lot further than this. What the heck? Chew 11? This is the one that I sent you on Discord? Yeah, Chew 11. That was a build. I love that it's finding it pretty fast. Party on, party off. Oh yeah, Try party on, frag. Try it. Party dash on. I don't know what I installed before, but now. Come on. Frag, I need your help. I cannot hold it much longer. There we go. Instant. Good. We're back in business. Good. I was like, how the hell it's working for you and not working for me? We didn't modify anything. Good. I haven't streamed in about 6 months. When I launched Lumia, all the old settings, themes, animation, and they were completely gone. Welcome back, Torelli. Is the Optimus Prime TTS only meant to be 1 bit? I placed it for you guys to test it out. Yeah, so if you want to use 1 bit for it to test it out, test it out. It is having a username over here. Let me double check before I'm trying to say something to a user that said that doesn't have anything. Lumia stream. Okay. Yes, he is a user there. He doesn't have anything inside. Doesn't have loyalty points.
Bumbly said Radu wants the smoke, so here I am. Let's roll.
Who said wants to smoke? Bumblebee says Radu wants to smoke, so here I am. Let's roll. Well, you can definitely turn the smoke on. I think 1 hour had passed. Nobody gifted 500 bits or $5 on YouTube. How you doing, Simon? Welcome in, welcome in. I misspelled Bumblebee. Yeah, you did. You did. Ah!
Tango Titties cheered 100 bits.
Exactly in the face. Stop. My God. Thank you for the bits, Tango. I was not asking people for donations. We're saying to actually they can use again the smoke machine. For the price of 1. Yeah, I don't know what was. Oh, I know what it was wrong, because when I'm doing the print, and since I started my my Lumia, it was doing entrance, creating this, and it was keeping the socket on for 4 seconds, and then it was turning it off. So basically, the socket is actually activated at the beginning of the command, and since the command runs for a bit for the entrance and also for the printing, then yeah. Well, smoke is back on. You can turn up the laser as well. Oh my God, I cannot see the bottle. Turn the laser on because the lights are off. Or do you want me to turn the fuse on? Yeah, that's gonna be cool, right? Default state, fuse, refresh. I think it's a bit too loud for it. Yeah, it is. Select all lights except Govy. Let the Govy LAN work. Refresh, stop fuse, start fuse. Default. Go to team. And now go back to fuse. Learn the hard way with my flashlight. Yeah. I think my Govy, but it's disconnected. Govy LAN. And I don't think I'm gonna be fine in here. I don't think that the commands worked because I was just refreshing it. But it's laser, not the plural. Are you not streaming on YouTube again? I am streaming on YouTube. What are you talking about? It does. I am streaming. It was just showing disconnected earlier when joined the stream. Yeah, Cove, type party on this one. And we gotta see how fast it's gonna trigger. It's been off for about 10 minutes or something like that. So party dash on. And then party dash off to turn it off. And now it's triggered, and now it's gonna work. And for party off as well, it's basically instant when I see the message in the chat. It's already triggered. Shock color on. No, Simon, no. Yeah, I know you're there on YouTube. We can try to make a shock color controlled by Lumia, but that's gonna be funny as hell. I'm gonna start swearing a lot. Yeah. Okay, let's not uninstall Lumia again. Let's not do that again, because okay, extension. I'm actually able to do it, but I need to do it with a new account, right? Yeah, I need to do it with a new account. So let's actually go with a bot account. Bam, 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 bam. This is Radu TG Radu
let
free.
It grow.
Let it grow. Let it grow. Extensions. Lumia stream. Oh no, not here. Am I missing something? My extension. Installed. Extension discovery page. Oh, here. I'm blind. Okay, let's add it. Streamer offline. That's not an issue. And we're gonna later activate it, because I wanted to see exactly on that page. On this page, I want to set it as a new panel. Authorize. Perfect. F12. No more of that issue over here. So let's deactivate and let's activate again. Component. Perfect. Yeah, I'm still getting a warning message over here for Twitch TV target origin. Okay. But looks like it works. Hopefully it works for the other guys as well. I'm gonna thank them in. Any luck reproducing my problem? Come to the stream and I'll test it. You also see what I put in regards Spotify actions that Frag was using earlier. Yeah, I saw. The skip and play. It's gonna be removing the queue. If you have like 10 in the queue, we're gonna skip the current song. But if it didn't place it at the first track in the queue. On the top, it placed it at the bottom. Are you sure? I mean, I'm gonna check that as well, but I think that should have been the case to actually place it the next track. Oh, okay. I've been streaming about 6 months and I haven't launched Lumia at the time started streaming. I'd update my entire configuration, wiped clean. None of my connections, scenes, animations, anything exists. Any longer, how can I recover all my old work? Okay. Yeah, if that's the case, then it shouldn't behave like that. How should I call you? Because I am having a bit of a trouble, like a tongue twister when I try to pronounce the last part of your name. And thank you, by the way, for doing the test in Discord. Appreciate it. Quick question, if someone can help. I have been searching for a way to connect my smart plugs to Lumia with TP-Link, but doesn't seem to detect them anymore. Work now. Did you activate the allow third party from your devices? From your phone app? I think that's how it's called, right? Let me not say something silly. TP link tapo. So if you click on me, then third-party services allow sometimes it's weird with Spotify, depends on what's running on the normal playlist. It's different to a queue. Yeah, the what's currently, but if you're having a playlist that you're listening to, it's not the same as the queue that you have for the song request. It's totally different. Tiker. Tiker for pronunciation, but Ticker for spelling. It was original tip by design, but was missed, so I went with it. The name comes from the having two rats and having a lot of ticks. I used to do. I used this to set my gaming alias messed up with spelling, but just stuck with it. Okay, Tiker, Tiker, Tiker is fine. So just the last part of the name. Good. Let's see if this user is available for getting his money back. No, he just subscribed today, so yeah, he is. Okay. Why, that didn't work? Server error. Okay. I think it's solved. Sorry, but when I'm looking in the tickets, I'm actually trying to. What? I don't have an alert for super chats. What the heck? I didn't heard anything. Wait, what? Why? YouTube. Super chat. You have to do a reaction, but everything it's doing like this. A TTS as well. Where's all that? Did you guys heard it? I know it's blocked. Oh, run to arrow. Failed to fetch. And now my queue is stuck. Okay. Let me see what I did over there in the super chat that it actually caused it to break. Thank you so much, Simon. But I was not expecting that. I think I do have something like a custom code that is breaking it. Yes, I do. And I'm trying to post something for whatever reason. Avatar super chat. What? That's not gonna work. Okay, so let's just remove this. Okay. Test action. Let's actually place instead of amount, let's place 5. Oh, it works. Ow. Ow. Ow! That was more than 5. Okay. Now since I didn't receive for quite a while, I had some old code there that was not working. And I'm actually taking the amount and then I'm doing a math floor and then I'm making for each dollar spent to throw a ball. So now complete and save, and now I'm gonna re-trigger your super chat just to see that it works. It works. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, why? Ow! You're getting double. Two balls per each dollar. Okay, good to know. Yeah, I was just under my desk searching for my balls, okay? I need to refill it. Don't clip that out of context, okay? Oh my god, there are balls everywhere. Thank you for the $3 super chat, Simon. Appreciate it. A bit more at 5. It was actually activating the smoke machine back. It showed 2 messages at the bottom, both one for 20 crocons and one where it wrote in dollars, I think. No, it's actually automatically converting it into dollars, and then it's using that amount. No. It's just using once. I tested with 5 and it was still shooting 5. Rambo! Hi, everybody. Want to see something cool? Type party off. This is a Bluetooth device. It doesn't have a Wi-Fi. Type exclamation mark party dash off and party dash on. Camera looks awesome. Thank you. Instant. And now the lights are off. So now if you place a party on, the Govy lights will gonna turn them back on. And that's instant. I was building it with in IntelliJ with codecs and Lumia skills. We actually trained it instead of using directly inside ChatGPT, which was giving me a lot of issues. We use it directly in the editor. Oh, did I got clipped? Oh, darn Tango! I thought you were not listening. I thought you were not listening. Do I want to see that out of context? Of course I do. Let's actually see it. And now I know why you want to actually click it directly, right? So let's place it in here. And let's make this one a bit smaller. There you go. Let's pause the music. I was just under my desk searching for my balls, okay? I need to refill it. Yeah, I was just under my desk searching for my balls, okay? I need to refill it. Darn you, Tango. You definitely clipped that out of context. Want to test something? Yeah, sure. What can I test? The one that Wombat wants to test? Xbox, welcome. What are we testing? We're testing new stuff. Welcome in, welcome in. So we're having a lot of things to test, like Twitch extension. We already tested that, so we can move on. There were some users that had some issues with it. Jackbox overlays, horizontal layout, animation looks weird when getting new message. Also, sometimes the text moves to the next line in case of emotes. We already said it worked great. We already tested it out. But this needs to be placed also in our release notes, because I don't think somebody placed it. Custom chat box from Marketplace seems like Capital makes it text show as an emote. Custom chat box from Marketplace. Let me see what we have here. Fixed the overlay chat box. Horizontal layout animation. Okay, so that's placed. So custom chat box from Marketplace. Which one? Overlays. Marketplace. Custom chat, this one. So why are you telling me? You see there's a username over here. And this username is the creator of the overlay. So just place it in the comments or tag him in Discord. I am not responsible or of anything that it's broken inside the marketplace, because I cannot fix it. And if I fix it, I don't want to upload it in his name, because I can't. Yes, I approve them. So I tested if chat is going in. It was going in. Then it was doing what it was supposed to. Okay, let me test it. I can test it out. Okay. What should I test over here? If you want to see if you can reproduce the same issue on my side, go ahead. It's like the free time saying what the winner has won. Anything capital. Oh, this one's. So it's not just me. It's okay. Yeah, I see it now. You said capital and made... Oh, see, it's actually placing the uppercase things as emotes. That have the other way around. Reverse flow. There you go. Does it have anything in here? Mention, gold, avatar size, circle shape, text appearance, ancient color, alert, position, reverse flow, message count, maximum, blah, blah, blah. Show elements. Show elements. You can just remove emotes. Okay. Now type with I cannot speak today. Type with capital letters. Test now. Emotes are still showing. So it's not the configuration thing. And see, I cannot even access the code, so I cannot modify it. I don't know what code is inside. It's locked. Even as an admin, I don't have access to the code of other users. I can just check it when I'm doing the review if it's not anything wrong with it, and if it's not something malicious, and then I can just approve it. That's it. I hate when people don't let us touch the code. It's their thing, right? So if they don't want to, it's their decision to actually not make you get it or not. But that had quite a bit of downloads. Most popular. It's second place, third place. I'm on second place with my my hype train still. 200 downloads. Let's go. And also 121 on the dual minigame. Nice. I think you like the custom chat box over there, but you don't like that capital letters issue, right? But yeah, cannot help you with that, Rambo. Wish I could. Okay, chat box overlay. Horizontal layout animation looks weird. We already added. Kick last host variable. We already checked it out. It's there. It works. I was having your username, Rambo, but the problem is I uninstalled Lumia, so now it's not gonna work. Present. When no light change, it's on a slot, you can't edit the command for the slot. Okay, that was an issue that I reported. So let's go on animations. Now let's add a new animation, and here we're gonna place no light change. I'm gonna try to edit, and it works. Okay. Done. Next, complete and save. Perfect. It works. Now It's already added to release notes. Perfect. Studio scenes, it's not working, and instead of changing all lights, it should target only the selected lights. Studio scenes not working, and instead of changing all lights, when it should target only the selected lights. Oh, it's selecting all lights when it should target only the selected ones. Okay. So let's actually test that. Studio scenes, and we're gonna go on blue gradient, and we're gonna place the light effects here. We're gonna place the whiz here. We're gonna place the Govy to be orange. Well, not gonna be changed. Oh yeah, we're gonna be changed. Because you changed the party off right now. That's why. Otherwise, we're not gonna work. Now leaf can go on blue as well, and hue can go on orange. Let's test it out. Okay. Oh, but I have fuse on, so nothing will gonna work. Oh, give me a second. Default state. Team. Go to the team. There we go. So scenes, and now we had which one are we testing? No, definitely not this one. Blue gradient. Yeah, this one. Test it out. That's orange. My Govy. Oh, Govy it's not selected. Govy, we're gonna go on green. That's green. Govy. Reset. Green. Test. That's not green on this one. So they cannot do green. Let's put them on this orange. Now they're green. Orange, I have the... What's with the colors? Which right panel should be blue? Wait, what? Ah. This requires some investigation. I don't understand. Add scenes. Autofill all lights. This is definitely blue, right? This is green. Yeah. This is red. Good. Do we still have smoke in the room now? Can somebody turn that laser off? Because it's hard for me to look that way without getting the laser placed in the eye, and it's not pleasant. Thank you, Tango. I don't know why that didn't work, but thank you. Twitch chat permission it's missing? What? How came my Twitch chat permission it's missing? There we go, I could run it like that, but why didn't it want me to run it? They're on. Oh. Yeah, now it works. Good. So Let's test again. Autofill all the lights. Everything is blue. Okay, let's add 4 slots. Blue, red, green, and a different kind of blue. And reset. And let's place light effects on red. Light effects, it's red. Govy, we're gonna go green. Yeah, there was something wrong with that one. I can tell you that right now. Light blue on the panel. Yep. And Nanoleaf, let's go blue, blue. Wow, it was already blue, so let's change it to green. There we go. And we have Philips Hue as well. Let's go red. Yeah, no. Those are fine. Good. And instead changing all lights when it should target only the selected lights. Now let's make another slot where I'm gonna say black, and I'm gonna place my Nanoleaf lines to go black, just to basically close it down completely. And then I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna click done. And I'm gonna test it out. Well, let's go to default state. And should trigger everything except the Nanoleaf. The Nanoleaf should remain at the same color. You didn't saw it, but the red, it's actually because of the hue above. It's not because of that Nanoleaf. I should actually turn it off completely. Yeah, let's actually go with lights off. And now the Nanoleaf should not turn on. Yeah. Now you can see it better. Lower the brightness and you will see the colors of them all much better. Yeah, I know. I was just testing some stuff. Because I usually not go 100%. Nanoleaf has 100% for whatever reason. That's better? No. The blue, this blue, it's not really blue. Okay. There we go. Room looks better and better all the time. Yeah, thank you. You can still type exclamation mark smoke on. I think we passed another hour, right? We should be able to trigger another smoke machine for free. So you can start the laser back. It's smoke dash on. Smoke dash on. Is that still on cooldown? Yeah, smoke on, it's still on cooldown. I don't know exactly how much cooldown it has. Because I don't think I placed like a message for the cooldown, but it's still on cooldown. Yeah, so it didn't pass an hour. Still seems not working, and instead of changing all the lights when it should target only the selected lights. Okay, so it works. It works. Fine. Make HUD work on the latest Windows update. Make HUD work on the latest Windows update. Oh, this was a few days ago. Publish HUD companion on the website pointing in 2.0 HUD effects. Lumia stream HUD companion is still pointing to the old version, but should still auto update after installing. Okay. And this is because of this thing. So on a Windows update, they add this. They added fixed game update address, an issue that determines device eligibility for full screen gaming experience, which made basically the videos of HFX not to be shown. And this was where is the release date? This was released on 10th of February on Windows as a security patch. In order to fix it, I had to manually go and uninstall the build myself, the update. So we can trigger HFX instead to see if it works, right? Let's actually do that. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know if that works. I don't think that it's in place. Let's see this one. I don't think I have anything over here. Darn. Because I see the lightning going off. But I don't think I have the... I have the HFX Lumia. I forgot that I'm also streaming on Lumia on this the same scenes. So overlays, HFX. And we're gonna open in OBS. Now we're gonna place it inside here and just add. Okay, let me trigger it again.
Uh-oh, who's on who? Said he let it ring, but it never goes through. My mind's fucked, my head's gone too. The smoke's with a man, but the joke's on you. Uh-oh, who's on what? Don't tell my brothers, cause I'll spin the whole block. Will we bang? Everything you got. Tell them little pussies that we take the whole lot. You ain't got no backbone. I get out the trap, I ain't got a trap phone. I got P's and M's and K's and O's. They're illiterate with letters, so I'm letting niggas know. Used to give them high fives, now it's just a middle finger. Diamonds on my patty, do the bogle when I linger. They think I'm a rapper, I think I'm a singer.
I will send you to Jesus.
Alright, so those works. Okay, good. HFX tested and works, but let me check if I still have that update. Windows update. So KB181 at the end. 2 things available, more options, Windows prompter, where is it? Check for updates, last check yesterday, update history. Yeah, it's already installed, as you can see here. Okay, it's this one. Installed on 12 February. Good. So that worked on the OS build. Good. Testing the form, new UI in all places to make sure no action is added where it shouldn't. Edit studio animation slot, type drop down value and brightness behave correctly. These are the tests that I have to do, so let's actually do them now. Oh my god, look at the time. It's 12, it's past midnight. I'm having to go to sleep. We're gonna stop here for tonight. We finished 17 tickets. 17 tickets. That's quite a lot. Only 23 left to go, plus the remaining ones that will gonna come from behind. And after we are completely finished and test everything, we will going to release the whopping 9.0. I'm gonna be. Well, we're still gonna try to get it to the date where we planned it. Should be on March 11 on our live stream. That's the target date for the 9.0. In case you are wondering, let me check. Didn't 3 hours pass for the cooldown there? If not, we're gonna test it ourselves. All right, you know what? I'm gonna remove the smoke. I'm gonna start the laser. So you can start the smoke whenever you want. And I'm gonna get out in style. All smoky. Oh, frag, turn it on. Oh, and party on. Well, the smoke machine, it's still ongoing. Yeah, now it's turned the party on. And now we can make this one party. Let's go. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the bits. See you guys tomorrow. We're gonna stream again. We're gonna need to finish all these tickets before we releasing it, so that's my highest priority right now, except the one that is in Discord. I'm always gonna be helping users first, then testing the tickets, because they can find more bugs than just me. Appreciate you guys. Do not go anywhere, because we are gonna raid, and let's see who's having that Lumia stream tag. Let's check it out. Live channels, Lumia stream. Oh, we have some of them. So, who I should raid? We have the Son of Han. We have Shroomnotic. We have Shimbol. 0 is high, but it's just for the Pokemon community game. And somebody that has 0 viewers. Oh, let's see who's having 0 viewers.
I just had to refresh the sources. Wait, that's not where he's supposed to be.
That's an HFX. That's our chat at the bottom.
Kirby, why are you in the wrong place, man?
I don't think she knows that we are from Lumia, but we're gonna actually raid her.
I purposefully did that.
Okay, let's actually do that. Good. Guys, thank you all for being here. Stick to the raid. Give some love in the chat over there. Follow by a lot of emotes. I don't have a raid message for getting those emotes, but I'm gonna create them next stream. Much love, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.